Do you have hiccups? Try these tips to make hiccups go away. 1. Swallowing a teaspoon of sugar may help to stop hiccups by stimulating the nerves in the back of the throat. 2. Drinking a glass of water can help to stimulate the swallowing reflex. This may help to stop hiccups. 3. Take a deep breath and hold it for a few seconds to help to stop hiccups. Note: if hiccups last longer than a few hours, or they are accompanied by other symptoms, such as chest pain or breathing problems, consult a healthcare provider.